Good afternoon and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all friends. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is visiting the Union Territory of Ladakh on a 2-day tour from April 30, during which he will pay his respect to the sacred relics of Buddha on the occasion of Buddha Purnima on May 1, 2026. Ahead of his visit to Ladakh, the Union Ministry of the Home Affairs also announced meeting of subcommittee on May 22 for talks with Leh Apex Body and Kargil Democratic Alliance. The last meeting was held on February 4 in New Delhi, and the next meeting will be held after a gap of about 3.5 months. Shah will arrive in Leh on April 30 and pay his respect to the sacred relics of Lord Buddha on May 1, 2026. He is also expected to review development works in the Union Territory of Ladakh and interact with prominent citizens. However, a detailed schedule of his visit is yet to be announced by the administration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised the Kaladi cheese from Jammu and Kashmir and mentioned churpi, also a type of cheese, saying it is very popular in Ladakh and other states of India. In his monthly radio address Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister says the Indian dairy sector is undergoing a major transformation. He noted the popularity of Indian cheese globally, giving examples of such dairy products. PM Narendra Modi praises the Kaladi cheese from Jammu and Kashmir, known as the mozzarella of Kashmir, which the Gujjar Bakarwal community has been making for generations. Listing churpi as a type of cheese quite very popular in Ladakh, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, he says the simplicity and softness of the mountains are felt in its taste. The special features of these cheese is that it's made from yak milk. The Prime Minister informed that 2 Indian cheese brands received prestigious awards at an international cheese competition held in Brazil, stating that this achievement is widely discussed on social media and many people have said that the diversity of the cheese in India should also be discussed. The Union Territory Administration in Ladakh has ordered the transfer and posting of 3 police officers. As per an order, Gaurav Sharma, the 2009 batch AGMUT cadre IPS officer, has been attached to PHQ Ladakh till further posting. The order further said that the Kaushal Kumar Sharma, the 2012 batch AGMUT cadre IPS officer awaiting orders of adjustment, has been posted as DIG Leh Kargil Range UT of Ladakh, vice Gaurav Sharma. Similarly, Vikas Kumar, the 2013 batch AGMUT cadre IPS officer currently serving as SSP Traffic Ladakh, has been relieved from the additional charge of in charge DIG Leh Kargil Range. Ladakh has the potential to become a global hub for finest Pashmina wool. LG Vinay Kumar Saxena stressed the need to maximize returns for farmers and artisans through value addition and better market access. To strengthen and promote Ladakhi's Pashmina and position it as a global brand, Saxena visited the Pashmina goat farm at Upshi. The visit underlined the administration commitment to establishing Ladakh as a premier hub for world-class Pashmina wool, a spokesperson of the Lok Bhavan said. Noting that the Ladakh has immense potential to emerge as a global Pashmina hub, Saxena assured full support from the administration to promote Ladakhi's Pashmina as a globally recognized brand. During the visit, Saxena was told that Ladakh is home to some of the finest Pashmina wool in the world, renowned for its exceptional softness and superior quality. He was apprised that there are 3 Pashmina farms. Noted these 3 Pashmina farms across Ladakh, with the Upshi farm alone producing around 150 kg of raw Pashmina annually. Former Executive Councillor of LHDC Kargil, Shakal Zang Wangyal Gara, has submitted a memorandum to Union Minister for Tourism and Culture Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, seeking urgent intervention for the preservation and development of the Pipiting Guru Monastery in Zanskar. The memorandum submitted during the minister's recent visit to Leh urges the inclusion of the monastery under an appropriate tourism development scheme of the central government, citing the site's religious, cultural and historical importance and the need for immediate conservation measures. Situated on a prominent hilltop in the central Zanskar, the Pipiting Guru Monastery. Noting, Pipiting Guru Monastery has been described as one of the most sacred landmarks in the region, holding deep spiritual value for local residents and the wider Himalayan Buddhist community. The document notes that its strategic location also offers expansive panoramic views, marking it a site with strong potential for heritage and spiritual tourism. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.